Zeal Industries is a precision manufacturing company. We are in the subcontract manufacturing sector, catering to primarily non-automotive sectors like packaging, textile, glass industry, electronics, hydraulics and pneumatics, telecommunications. We have been engaged in this activity since 1996. The primarily reason we chose Haas was because we had been using some Indian manufactured machines in the past. The reason we went with Haas was because the pricing, they brought it considerably down, and they matched the Indian pricing, and their machines were very much superior to that which were offered by the Indian manufacturers. Like for example, we were very particular about small things like there should not be any oil leakage on the floor, and the machine should look clean and tidy, the shop floor should be clean and tidy. So Haas, since their machines are completely built in USA and imported, so there was no issue of oil leakage and all. Like most probably some manufacturers might think like these are all small issues, but we saw like minor points were taken into consideration by Haas. And from day one we are using all our machines at 10,000 RPM, which has been offered by their inline spindle, and we are using Renishaw probing system on all our machines. So that is a added advantage. Renishaw, like Haas, really supports on the pricing part for probing system. So they encourage all the machine users to have that extra edge by using the latest features and options. So currently we have 9 Haas machines, Haas VMCs at our setup, out of which 3 are 4-axis machine and 1 is a 5-axis simultaneous 5-axis machine. It's a 3+2 configuration. We are also in discussion with Haas, with Phillips, regarding a dedicated 5-axis machine, which is a UMC 500 and an ST20Y. So we are looking to cater to some other markets like aerospace and all, with the addition of simultaneous 5-axis machines and turn mill center. One more thing we love about Haas is the ease of the control. Our operators are very much fascinated by the fact that the control is very much easy to use, and especially the VPS offered by Haas. The probing cycles are very much easy to understand, and even the beginner of the operators, they are able to take offsets very easily, and which helps reduce a lot of cycle time, setup time. Since we are primarily engaged in a lot of batch production jobs, so there are like numerous setups involved every day. So the setup time has been brought down by the probing system supplied by Haas. We are happy with the fact that we are getting excellent service and service support from Phillips team. They have most of the parts stocked at their end. So even in case of worst case of, like, let's say a part is down, they quickly get it from their warehouse and they just replace it, and so the machine there's no machine downtime as such. We are getting support from the application team at Haas. Whenever there's a issue of, let's say, like 4th axis or 5-axis parts which need to be planned properly, the Haas team is always there ready to support. Been using Mastercam since the day we bought Haas. The reason we chose Mastercam was it is the largest CAM software used over the globe, and since it is also an American company, so they have a better synergy going on, Haas and Mastercam. So we are using full 5-axis version of Mastercam. We are very much happy with the ease of use of Mastercam and the application support offered by the Mastercam people. And since we are also trying to cater to the aerospace market, we are looking forward to some opportunities in aerospace. Having Mastercam with us is always a added benefit.
हास मशीन आल्यापासून आहे ना, आम्हाला क्वालिटी चांगली मिळायला लागली. आमच्या कस्टमरच्या रिक्वायरमेंटप्रमाणे जे काय ॲक्युरेसी पाहिजे होती ते आम्हाला समाधानकारक मिळायला लागली, आणि त्यांची सर्व्हिस हास कंपनीचे ते टाईम टू टाईम सर्व्हिस देतात ते, आणि त्यांचा मेंटेनन्स वगैरे सर्व व्यवस्थित मेंटेन करतात ते. आणि त्या मशीनबद्दल आम्ही एकदम खुश आहोत. आणि हॅपी आहोत. कस्टमरच्या रिक्वायरमेंटप्रमाणे जे काही आम्हाला ड्रॉइंग्स येतात त्याप्रमाणे त्यांची काय ॲक्युरेसी जी मिळते आम्हाला मशीनमधून त्याप्रमाणे आम्हाला सर्व व्यवस्थित मिळते आणि त्याच्यामुळं आमचं कस्टमरसुद्धा खुश आहे आणि काम करायला एकदम सोपं आणि एकदम मशीन स्मूथली चालते. त्याच्यामुळं हास मशीन ही एकदम बेस्ट मशीन आहे.
पहले हम जो है मैनुअल प्रोग्रामिंग करते थे, तो हमने मास्टरकैम सॉफ्टवेयर परचेज़ किया, तो तब से हम मास्टरकैम के ऊपर प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहे हैं. तो मास्टरकैम के ऊपर प्रोग्रामिंग करने से हमारे लिए बहुत सी आसानी हो रही है. मतलब जैसे मैनुअल प्रोग्रामिंग बनाने के लिए बहुत टाइम जाता था, जिसकी वजह से बहुत से एरर आते थे, फिनिशिंग का प्रॉब्लम आता था. तो वो सभी प्रॉब्लम मास्टरकैम सॉफ्टवेयर लेने की वजह से हमारे सॉल्व हो गए हैं. और इसकी वजह से जो भी साइकिल टाइम जिसके लिए ज़्यादा जाता था, वो साइकिल टाइम भी अब कम हो गया है पहले से. और फिनिशिंग का वगैरह जो भी प्रॉब्लम आता था, अब फिनिशिंग का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और जॉब में एक्यूरेसी जो है जैसा चाहिए उस तरीके से हमको मिल रही है.
We are really happy with Haas and Phillips Machine Tools regarding the machines and the overall service and support, and we are looking forward to plan another few machines this year and the years to come.